Guess if he's ready to call you. I can see him put on his headset. What I tell you?
Yeah. You can see it good right here. Yeah, see, he can up, but you know, he still got ways to go yet. Oh, no. Yeah, spread it out. Remember, them don't spray up. These are not in like that. Yeah, spray it. Yeah. It's about another time when I think it's out and get ready. That's just that long going like this. He won't reach to that point where on the side there. Okay. So that alarm that sensor you're telling about, so it's compatible with that extension? Yeah, I mean it just booted off. Oh, okay. Just have to raise it up in the extension and take it up higher. Get what it would. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we checked it out the other day. Using the come out faster to leave it. It go up, ping. Get to know it too. No, you don't want to run right at the edge of it like that, because you run at the edge, you want to run over it. Yeah. You spin it out. So you got that big green mean machine looking good out there. Yeah. Ed got his phone zoomed in. He already knew you were finna call. he said he finna call one of y'all. He put it headset on it. Oh yeah, you got 20 of 9 on the back of that line, dude. Yeah. It's filling out there like it's spraying out with the time. There it is, so you would have been there. You ain't see it.